my friends! It is Birthmas Eve for me right now. I am sitting in my van on the last few hours of my 49th year on this planet. And tomorrow I turn the big 5-0. And I know that a lot of you are scratching your head right now, trying to figure out how that's possible. I know that I look a lot younger than I am, and I am a lot younger at heart than I am, and I like it that way. And I am grateful for great genetics and a light-spirited heart and a childlike wonder and a sense of adventure that keeps me young. Anyways, I am sitting here in my van just kind of enjoying a little bit of time to myself before I get back to the RV and start prepping for my birthday party tomorrow with some of my closest friends. And today I have spent quite a bit of time reflecting on this last year of my life. I realized today as I was going through pictures of all of the fun adventures that I've had with my friends here in Arizona and with Cyrus and some of my friends back at home in Washington, that my 49th year of life has literally been the most beautiful, wonderful, amazing, happiest year of my life. At almost 50 years old, that is an interesting feeling because I've lived a pretty good life so far. But I was in a couple of unhappy marriages, and I had some struggles, and I've lost both of my parents. I've lost my grandparents. I've had a lot of loss and a lot of struggle in my life, and I didn't ever think that I would be happy. I didn't ever think that was a possibility. I'm feeling very grateful, thankful, and blessed right now as I'm sitting here and thinking about all of the adventures and the love I've gotten and the joy that I have felt over this last year that I didn't think was ever going to be possible. When I set out on my van adventures last year after my birthday, I expected to spend my 49th year on a solo van trip, trying to find my purpose in life, trying to find out who I was, trying to figure out if I belonged here, trying to figure out what does make me happy, how can I grow, all kinds of things. And I didn't expect to end up where I'm at right now. I've just been feeling very grateful today for having been brave and putting myself in a very uncomfortable position and leaving my home in Washington and just seeing where life took me. And it turns out that life wanted me to have some adventures. And adventures I have had. This last year I found out that I belong in this world and people do love me and want me, and I am enough, and I'm worthy of being loved. And that's a big lesson to learn after a bit of a rough life. And today I'm just thankful that I get to go into my 50th year having filled up my heart to capacity and overflowing with love from all the beauty that I've found in this place and the people who have loved me over this last year. And I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who follow along on my channel and my journey and are supportive, and you leave me comments and you interact with me and you say hello and you check on me when I don't pop in for a while to make sure I'm okay. It means a lot to me. I'm looking forward to seeing what 50 has in store for me and what kind of adventures and love the universe will bring into my life. Cyrus, Toby, and I are getting ready to celebrate my birthday tomorrow, and then this is our last weekend here in Arizona, and then we are getting ready to head north to go spend some time in South Dakota with his parents. So if you would like to follow along on our RV journey, please hit the subscribe button and follow along. I will also be doing some solo trips in my van along the way and just sharing my personal thoughts and feelings as I go. It's very important to me to have me time, so my beautiful van and I will be doing some solo trips, and I will be sharing some thoughts about how I feel leaving this family that I've grown here in Arizona and pretty much starting over and starting a completely new chapter where Cyrus and I are heading off into unknown places, hopefully to meet random strangers and build community along the way, or feel part of communities along the way, and see what the universe has for us next. Anyways, I'm about to do my last van dance of my 49th year. You know what time it is. It's time to dance! Stay weird, friends.